Good morning. This is Jack from Charting the Markets, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 6th of November. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Well, Trump won, and boy, oh boy, was there a reaction. So we've gone back and we've made the full flag target here at 73.8, and we have made a new all-time high on Bitcoin. So great. I think my lean is that this is likely to continue higher. We've got a tiny bit of negative divergence here, a possible weak RSI 14 sell signal brewing on the daily. On the hourly chart, looking a little overbought short term, no current negative divergence. Obviously, we've got a potential double top here. I'm not expecting it to deliver anything, but it is nonetheless a double top. It's so let's have a quick look and see whether I've got a trend line here. I don't think I do. No, I don't. So in fact, actually, if we were going to go to the obvious resistance trend line here, it would be there. So that would have this is just a short-term trend line, of course, but I'm just going to put that in dotted, and I'm going to hang on wait a second. Right, just have a quick look. All right, that's the new support trend line short term. And we'll see how it goes from here. I'm not seeing any obvious sign that this is topping out short term. So do we have much to see? No, nothing really to hang out on. I'm expecting to see this go higher short term. Might set up some negative divergence and set up a short term high, but equally it may not. But we've gone through into blue sky territory now. We will see. On Ethereum, you've seen a bit of a rally. But Ethereum has been disappointing for a while now. It is continuing to disappoint. It is, however, back over the daily middle band and on an upward track. On the hourly chart, the RSI 14 buy signal made target, and we haven't made any interesting new highs yet. Looking at Solana, Solana has broken up from the flag. This kills off any idea that we might actually be heading back to flag support, and sets up a target at a retest of 209.86. I think that is the next big target on Solana. In the short term, we're getting pretty close to the 3SD upper band, and I'm wondering whether we are going to see a reversal and consolidation while that continues to turn back up. But it's broken up from the flag. 209.86 is now on the cards, and when we see that, I will be wondering and drawing. I'll be wondering about a move back up here. Now let's just have a quick moment. Just take a quick moment just to have a look at this on the weekly chart. I think while we could have a double top at that 209.86, I'm not expecting that, and it would be an improbably large double top, which I would say would have almost no chance of making target. Let's have a quick look at where this would be. Now, if you take this as the new support trend line on the weekly chart, and it's quite a nice one actually, where would the corresponding trend line be? Maybe hard to tell just because the moves in crypto tend to be so large. Nothing particularly obvious. So we don't really have an obvious resistance trend line to go, but we do have a very obvious target now at 209.86, and I think we're going to make it. We do have a bit of negative divergence brewing here. It's only negative divergence until it breaks. It is there. We're still on a weak RSI 14 sell signal fixed on the daily, but I think this is a very, very significant break. All the more significant because we reversed hard at it at the last test. We'll see how it goes from here. All right, great. Let's have a look at questions. Yeah, my pleasure as always, Michael. So I think that's a wrap. And Trump has won. Brave New World. Positive to crypto. I think we're going to be seeing 209 on here on Solana, and then I think we're going to have a serious crack at getting back into the main high, which is this one over here, which has actually just dropped off this chart. But I've got that, 257 was it? 259.95. I think after we get to 209, I'll be thinking we're going to be heading there. So we shall see. All right. My pleasure as always. I'll have everything posted as soon as possible. I'll catch you guys later.